Now, to solve such an equation, we have to identify something that's very important, and that is the first item, that is 2 to power 2x. Now, we are going to write it in such a way that it has to be similar to 2 power x. So we come and say this is 2 power x, everything squared. So minus 5 into 2 power x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have created the 2 power x which is similar throughout, that we can go ahead and do some letting. So when we do some simple letting. When we let 2 power x to be m, so putting it back, so the purpose here to let is to simplify something. So we have m square minus 5m plus 4 is equal to 0. Now it has reduced to a quadratic, as you can see, from something that looked very hard to something that is simple now. And then if we go ahead to solve it using all methods possible that you may know, so you can have m minus 4 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. This is when you have used factorization. However, you can use completing squares and quadratic formula. Then we can say either m minus 4 is equal to 0 or m minus 1 is equal to 0. So we first do that step, and then we come and say m is equal to 4 or m is equal to 1. Now after getting m, it means we have obtained 2 power x. So we can say when m is equal to 4, 2 to power x is equal to 4, which means that we shall have 2 to power x is actually 2 to power 2. Now when we go ahead to simplify, our x becomes 2. So you can equate the powers when the bases are equal. So you come and say when also m is equal to 1, 2 to power x is equal to 1. This means that I can say 2 to power x is equal to 2 to power 0, because we know that 2 to power 0 is 1. So our x becomes 0. So any number to power 0 is 1. That's why we have easily related them. And when bases are the same, we can equate the powers. Therefore, our values of x, one is 2 and another value is 0. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friend if you have understood this. We meet in the next. Thank you.